Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's question comes to us from Maria. She and her boyfriend had a breakup, and the boyfriend has taken her dog and refuses to return it. Before I get started with answering that question from Maria, please keep in mind that if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, please don't hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com and I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. So Maria's question is this. Her situation is such that she and her boyfriend were together for a while. She had a dog, and the boyfriend, after the breakup, the boyfriend has taken the dog and refuses to return the dog. At first, the boyfriend stated that they would co-parent the dog, but has later changed his mind and refused to let her see the dog. So Maria therefore took the dog back, and the boyfriend now is accusing her of stealing the dog. Unfortunately for Maria and her boyfriend, because they're not a married couple, this does not fall into family law, where at times we do share custody of a family pet. But because this is not a marriage, it does not fall into a family law case. It is more of a tort action that needs to be handled in the civil courts. And to begin with, when we look at a dog, most states, all states, consider dogs to be property, not people, and therefore they're treated differently. They're treated just as if it was property. And the standard test for the ownership of who is the owner of the dog. This has to do with, first of all, proof that you purchased the dog. Do you have the records of purchasing the dog? Do you have vet records that you take the dog to the vet, that you hold yourself out as the owner of the dog, that most people know that you own this dog and you are responsible for the dog's vet appointments, for feeding the dog, for housing the dog. These goes to show that you are the owner of that dog. If the boyfriend comes back and calls the police, most of the time the police are not going to get involved in something like this. You can call the cops and let them know that this is a stolen property, but therefore, because it's a civil matter and you both had time with the dog and discussed sharing the dog, you need to most likely take this to a civil court where you can hash it out there in front of a judge there. So remember, in the event of a simple breakup where neither parties are married, but they have been boyfriend and girlfriend and have shared a dog, the person who bought the dog, the person who can prove that the dog is their property, is the one who usually gets to keep that possession or the dog. I hope that this has answered your question, Maria. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you know someone who can benefit from this information, please share this. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.